Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to fix payment issues on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to the tab My eBay at the bottom side of your screen. And then if you're trying to complete a purchase, then tap Purchases, and if you are a seller and you want to fix a buyer's payment issue, tap Selling section. Okay, let's suppose that I'm a buyer and I have some problem with my payment. As you can see, I don't have any purchases, and but anyway, I will guide you, and I hope that you can accomplish your request. So after you opened purchases or selling, you need to find the order that has payment issue. When you found this item or order, you need to tap on it, and this will open order details. And then you will see if there's a payment error message. If there is a payment error message, you need to click the Pay Now, of course, if it's available. This is if the payment didn't go through the first time. You can try again by tapping Pay Now. Also, if your payment failed, you can choose a different payment method. So just simply tap on the button, Change Payment Method, and select another payment method. For example, you can try a different credit card, you can try Apple Pay. So in general, another payment method. Also, you can check for card issues or your banking issues, because maybe your bank have blocked the transaction. Everything can happen, so you need to make sure that you don't have any problems with your bank. And if you still cannot pay for your purchase, you need to contact the eBay support. And to do that, you need to go to the home page. Okay, this is the home page again. Open My eBay, and here in the very end of the page you see Help button. And here you should select buying or payment issues, and of course follow the prompts to contact with eBay. Also, we have a video how to contact eBay customer support. You can go watch it. But I hope you have fixed your payment issues, and don't forget to leave your thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.